Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Zakaria, and I will teach you how you can create a new document in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word or MS Word, often called Word, is a graphical word processing program that users can type with. It is made by the computer company Microsoft. Its purpose is to allow users to type and save documents. Similar to other word processors, it has helpful tools to make documents. There are several ways to start MS Word. One of the ways, click on the icon in the Task Manager if it is available. Once you open MS Word, you will see several options. The most useful option is to create a new document. Double-click on the new document icon. You can also select templates, which will help you to start quickly for a document. Select a template and click on the Create button. Let us select another template. If you try to close the document, you will be prompted to save the file. You can save the file in the default directory or choose your own folder. You can also save the file in different format like PDF file. Select your desired file type if required. Another way to start MS Word is to click on the Start icon and search for Word. Click on the Word icon and MS Word will start automatically. That's all for today. I hope that you have enjoyed this short tutorial, and do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support is important for us. We will bring more useful content for you for free. Thank you and have a nice day.